This video is designed to provide step-by-step instructions on programming your HG122 universal thermostat for a hot yoga studio. Before getting started, it's important to note, radiant heat panels take longer to heat a room than forced air. This will affect our scheduling. The HG122 is capable of scheduling 2 independent blocks of heat per day, 7 days a week, which is typical for most yoga studio applications. Unlike a time clock that turns a device on and off, the thermostat is always on unless manually turned off. Most likely, you already have a daily class schedule. We will be using this as a reference guide for programming. Here is our sample schedule. In this exercise, our studio will be open 6 days a week, but you will note that not all days are the same. Because we can only schedule 2 blocks, we have divided our days into parts. Here it is broken into blocks. Let's get started programming the HG122. Once the thermostat is powered up, you will note that it displays the day of the week, time of day, temperature, mode of operation, and the program schedule, which is indicated as 1, 2, 3, or 4. If the thermostat is off, press the mode key until the word heat is displayed. The HG122 has a clock that is used for programming. It is important that both the time and day are set properly so that the thermostat will run correctly. To set the clock, press the program key. Next, press the up or down arrow key to set the current hour, making sure that the AM or PM symbol is correct. Press the program key again and the minutes will flash. Use the up or down arrow key to set the current minutes. Press the program key again until the day of the week flashes. Use the up or down arrow key to set the correct day of the week. We'll now use our sample blocked studio schedule to illustrate the programming steps. Press and hold the programming key down for 3 seconds. The display will show the number 1 and the day will flash. We're about to schedule your first heating time. Keep in mind again, with radiant heat, it could take an hour or more to bring your room to the desired temperature. Press the program key again and the hour will flash. Using the arrow keys, we will set the hour for 8 a.m., 1 hour before the class starts. The word heat will be displayed along with your desired temperature. Use the up arrow key to adjust the temperature to 110 to 120 degrees. By pressing the program key again, the display will show Monday and the number 2. The hour will flash. Program 2 represents the end of the first block. Using the up or down arrow key, we'll set the time for 12 p.m. Now we will set the temperature for the downtime between classes. Let's set that for 70. Next is the start of our second time block. Press the program key to show Monday and the number 3. Change the hour and minutes to 2 p.m., the start time of the second block. This will give the room enough time to be ready for class at 3 o'clock. Again, we'll use the up arrow key and set the temperature to 110 degrees. Finally, let's set the end of the second block. Number 4 will be displayed. We'll set the hour for 9 p.m. and the temperature to 70. Again, your system is not turning off, just lowering the temperature. If you change the mode from heat to off, the system will not turn back on in time for tomorrow's class. Next, we can copy Monday's schedule to any subsequent day that is the same. Since Monday through Thursday have the same block schedule, simply press the arrow key until Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday appear on the display. The word copy will flash, confirming that the Monday schedule is now copied to the rest of the days. After the copy process, the thermostat will display Friday starting with program number 1 with the hour flashing. As you can see, Friday has a totally different schedule than the rest of the week. Use the same process we went through for Monday to set Friday's times. Great, now let's look at the weekend. According to our schedule, we have 1 large block on Saturday and closed on Sunday. Since all of our classes are close together on Saturday, we will only need to set up one block from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. We will set the Saturday program 1, the start of the block, for 7 a.m. at 110 degrees. Then set program 2, the end of the block, using the program button to move forward through the menu. Since there are no other blocks for Saturday, we can ignore changing the time and skip to the temperature, which we will set to 70 degrees. We will do the same thing for program 4. When the word copy appears, simply press program to save changes. Since the studio is closed on Sundays, we don't have to worry about changing times, but merely setting the temperature to 70 degrees for all 4 settings. Once the Sunday schedule is complete, press the program key and the thermostat will go back to program 1 on Monday. We highly encourage you to take time to review the complete operation manual available online at www.heatinggreen.com.